Costa Rica, and it is the first time I have ever driven a car or rented a car that's on the wrong side of the car and the wrong side of the road. I've just driven from San Jose and I'm getting to La Fortuna, and it's just the scariest thing. Like, I've climbed Kilimanjaro, I've done the Himalayas, like, I've been stopped by the army in Pakistan. I have never been so terrified. Oh God, just the pressure of crashing and God knows what. Anyway, I'm still in one piece. I've just stopped up to get some stuff from a pharmacy, water, etc. and gonna make my way to La Fortuna. I've got about 10 minutes left. Been on the road for about 3 hours, so I'm sweaty and tired. I'm looking forward to getting to the hostel because they've got a swimming pool. I've just reached the hostel that I've been looking for the last 3.5 hours driving. Maybe that's a little bit exaggerative. Maybe it was 3 hours. But I've just got here. This is my baby. A little 3-door Suzuki. Not sure what it is. But yes, I've just got to the hostel. I'm going to check in. And I'm starving, so I'm gonna give my little baby, named Sheila, by the way, called it Sheila, a rest, and I'm gonna walk into town. And here we have Sheila, of the beast herself. Tell you what, it cost me $450. It basically worked out at about £39 a day to have this vehicle. You know, it hasn't got Bluetooth, it's not a Ferrari, but God, it's given me so much freedom. So I've just paid 18,000 Costa Rican money. Not sure what it's called. I'm just full of knowledge, aren't I? And that is to enter the La Fortuna Cataratas, the waterfall. So I've just entered the park. So when you come into the park, you can see they've got the gift shop. They've got somewhere to sit, eat and drink. There's toilets around the back of this building, bins. So it's not just a case where it's just, you know, like a middle of nowhere trek. Apparently every single waterfall and like other kind of places like this, you do have facilities or parking at least. I managed to park and I didn't have to pay to park, so that's good. So there's a lot of steps, and it's funny because I've been running down, so excited to see the waterfall, and everybody that's been coming up has been like so what goes down must come up, guys. Jumped in the waterfall, not in the waterfall, in the water, and it was freezing. But it was so nice to be cold. Yeah, not for the faint-hearted. It's quite strong as well, so it keeps pushing you into the rocks. So this is the more family side part of the waterfall saga. Calmer waters. So, you know, children can go in it. Down to the downside of the river. Beautiful. Bye, hostel. This hostel is gorgeous. Swimming pool, bar. I mean, it's really quiet at the moment, but I think it's because it's out of season. I'm venturing out into the wilderness. This is the town called Arenal. famous for being right in front of the volcano, which I can't find right now, but it's here somewhere. Good morning. I've just got into the car to my little Sheila, and we're going on a 2.5-hour adventure to Monteverde, and it's going to take us around the Lake Arenal. So I'm really excited. The views are going to be insane. So this is the place that I've come for my first breakfast. So here we have a typical Costa Rican breakfast. This is banana, bacon, rice, mango. I mean, God, it beats an English breakfast for me. And of course, an Americano. Fun fact, I don't like going to the toilet with the door shut. I have a phobia. So I leave it unlocked. Not all the time, obviously. Anyway, another nice little toilet video for you. Well, let's hope I don't break down here. Because I have no idea where I am. I'm also using Google Maps. Oh, motorbike coming. I'm using Google Maps and I have literally just a small chance of getting to my location. Because I haven't got a SIM and I'm doing it offline. Amy, why do you get yourself into these situations? So, I could have easily come with the car, but I thought, no, I'll walk. So I've walked 40 minutes to try and find these hot springs. They're called Lindora Hot Springs. And anyway, I've got here, and it's basically a farm in the middle of nowhere. And he's just said to me, right, it's $5. I said, that's fine. He said it's half an hour downhill walking. I was like, oh my God. So now, he's just told me roughly the way to go. So now, I'm trying to find the hot springs, knowing that I still haven't eaten. I am going to get hungry. By the time I get there, swim, and come back up the mountain, I'm going to be starving. But I've come this far. I'm going to turn around now just because I'm hungry. No, I'm not going to turn around now. I'm going to keep going. I feel like I'm in Hobbit land. Like something out of Lord of the Rings or something. What am I even doing here? So I've just opened the top bit. But then there's one with a knot. And another one. I have contemplated climbing the barbed wire fence, but I think I'll hurt myself. God damn, that's tight. Just stepped in cow shit. Wonderful. Ugh. God damn. Was it you? Was it your poo? Come here. Come and lick it off. Lick it off my foot. Okay, I seriously need to get a life. So I've reached my destination. $5, half an hour downhill, and this is what we come to. Shall we at least see if it's hot? I'd say it was lukewarm. We're going with lukewarm. Although, I don't think I could deal with hot water right now anyway. Oh well, got the place to myself. Looking a little bit different to how I started this walk. Oh, and it's just started to chuck it down. I'm literally in the clouds.